What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a charger adapter that you can use for your Tesla. So this is going to be an adapter that I would recommend keeping in your vehicle. So just in case you need to stop at a non-Tesla charging station. So this is going to be a J1772 to a Tesla charging port. So let's go ahead and take this out so you can get a look at it. All right, so this is going to be the adapter. So you see you have the J1772 connection here, and then on the other side you have your Tesla port connection here. So this is going to come in clutch when you're visiting a non-Tesla charging station, and maybe this 1772 connection is the only one that's working. You can pull this out and still be able to charge your vehicle. Now, I like this not only because you can use this at different charging stations, this is also going to be able to open you up to other options of chargers that you may want to purchase to keep in your vehicle, or if you're going to have a charging station installed in your home, or maybe you already have one. Maybe you've changed to a Tesla vehicle and you had a previous EV that used a 1772. Now you don't have to worry about changing over your charger because that could get expensive, where you can just get this adapter and you're good to go. Now this has the capability of handling up to 80 amps. So basically you can use just about any charger that's available on the market today. Now some of the charging stations that this is approved for is going to be ChargePoint, Blink Charging, EVgo, SEMA Connect, Flow, Volta Charging. So that gives you an example of the different charging stations that you'll be able to use this with. So this is going to be a nice little adapter to keep in your vehicle. Once again, it weighs less than a pound, so it's not going to be too much trouble. So guys, once again, this is going to be the J1772 to Tesla charging port adapter. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.